on BSE, which is a significant milestone for the company. So let's begin the ceremony with a round of applause for the entire team. And before we begin, may I request you all to kindly rise up for national anthem, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Please take your seats. Maiden Forgings Limited was incorporated in the year 1988 and has been manufacturing wide range of bright steel bars and wires from past 35 years. The business is more than 3 decades old and have a relationship with buyers and sellers across the globe. The company has a network of more than 450 customers. The company has 3 owned manufacturing plant in Ghaziabad, and the company has annual manufacturing capacity of 50,000 MT. MFL has completed in-house manufacturing facility including testing, pickling, annealing, and it has become a domestic leader in the industry, offering reliable, customized solutions and constant access to new and cutting-edge solutions to its customers. Long-established relationship with customers who are suppliers to Tier 1 manufacturers. Clients and users list include Maruti, Toyota, Hyundai, Denso, Everest, Hero, etc., as well as in multiple engineering and consumer goods sectors such as Usha, TTK, Prestige and Hawkins, etc. The company is experiencing a strong, resilient expansion with revenue exceeding rupees 200 crores in financial year 21-22, and which deserves a round of applause for sure. To begin with, we would like to welcome our host today, Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operations and Listing Sales, and Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME and Startups, BSE. Please welcome them with a round of applause. Please join us on stage. A round of applause, please. Please take your seat on the dais. We have here with us today the leadership team from Maiden Forgings Limited, who are stalwarts in their respective fields, and we will welcome them with a bouquet. Please welcome Mrs. Nivedita Garg, Chairman and Director. Let's welcome her on stage with a round of applause. Bouquet. And now please welcome Mr. Nishan Garg, Managing Director. Let's welcome him with a round of applause. We will now commence this auspicious occasion by the lighting of the lamp. May I request all our dignitaries to kindly join us downstairs for the lighting of the lamp. Also, I would like to invite Mrs. Divya Garg to join us for the lighting of the lamp. May we request you to kindly come closer for a group picture. Thank you everyone for lending your hand to begin the event on an auspicious note. Moving forward, may I now invite Mr. Nishan Garg, Managing Director, to kindly join us on stage and share a few words on this momentous occasion. Let's once again welcome him on stage with a round of applause, everyone.
First of all, I would like to thank you all for being here on our special moment, especially Ajay ji, Girish ji from BSE. And this is a very special moment because this moment is a reward of what we have been doing responsibly till now. People, outside investors, people have shown trust in us and trusted what we have been doing. And this moment also marks taking up of additional responsibility for the future and ensuring that we generate wealth for all. So at this moment I am very pleased as well as charged for the future to ensure that, you know, the trust that the people have shown in us, we take it forward in right direction and fulfill all the commitments that we have. And to reach this moment, my entire team has worked day in and day out. Some special thanks, I would say, Team Share India, Team Maiden, of course, and Team Good Hope, who has been our financial advisor and have taken us through the entire journey from the very scratch, preparing us for this moment. And our RTA Mukulji, who is already here, so he has also, you know, worked day in and day out and guided me at lots of places to be here. And other than this, I would very much like to, you know, remember and thank late Shri Sanjay Garg, my father, who started this company from scratch and gave it to me at a level, and with that also taught me the skills to take it to the next level, which I am sure I will take forward in the manner that he always taught. So, and last but not the least, a very special thanks to BSE to make this movement possible and showing their trust and support in us. And this is a long journey which we will take together now, and hopefully very soon we would be also going to the main board. So I thank you all for being here and enabling this movement. Thank you sir.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with all of us. And moving forward, may I now invite Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operations and Listing Sales, BSE, to kindly come forward and address the gathering. Thank you.
Good morning and warm welcome to everyone present here today for the listing ceremony of Maiden Forgings Limited on the BSE SME platform. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Sri Nishan Garg ji, Promoter and Managing Director, Maiden Forgings Limited, Srimati Nishan Garg ji, our BSE SME Head, Ajay Thakur ji, and of course we are not Share India team, so they are not here. But of course, I want to give special thanks to Sri Sachin ji also to bring this on the BSE platform. So Maiden Forgings, our anchor has already given some brief about the company which is engaged in the manufacturing and selling ferrous metal products, and company manufactures steel bright bars, wires, profiles, collated pneumatic nails and ground bars. My heartiest congratulations to Maiden Forgings Limited on the success of its public offer. As you know, BSE is always the market leader in SME sector, with primary focus area being innovation, technology, investor attention, quality service, and greater wealth generation. The BSE SME platform is a preferred route for SMEs and investors in the nation. Today, we have total 431 companies which have been listed on BSE SME platform, and market capitalization almost more than 61,000 crore rupees. Now about the public issue of Maiden Forgings. Now it came at an issue price of 63 rupees. It was a book building issue, and total issue size was 23.84 crores, and issue was oversubscribed for 1.13 times. Retail category was subscribed 1.06 times, non-institutional category 1.35 times, and QIB category 0.97 times. So congratulations to Maiden Forgings. BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in equity, debt instruments, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, interest rate derivatives, mutual funds, stock lending and borrowing. BSE offers also a variety of additional services to capital market players, including as a risk management, clearing and settlement, market data services and education. Once again, I welcome Maiden Forgings Limited to BSE SME family and extend my best wishes to its entire team and merchant banker on this momentous occasion. I am positive that the firms will develop and generate excellent return for its shareholder and other stakeholder. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And moving forward, may I now invite Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME and Startups BSE, to kindly come forward and address the gathering. Thank you.
Respected Nivita Garg, Chairman, Maiden Forgings, Sri Nishan Garg, MD, Sri Girish Joshi, Mukul Agrawal, Ma Shitla Venture Registrar, Good Hope team, Mr. Kakkar, my teammates, very good morning to all of you, and warm welcome to 431st company which is going to get listed on our BSE SME platform. I think it's a big opportunity for the SME promoters to take their company to the next level. Almost 165, 166 companies have migrated to the main board of the stock exchange. And as you guys are doing very well, I think that we have seen ups and downs during the allotment process and even during the subscription process because of the volatility in the market. But I think at least we get the success. I am very much thankful to our listing compliance, listing reviewer and equity IPO team who work day and night to ensure that there should be a smooth selling of your public issue. Today is Hanuman Jayanti also, very auspicious day. I wish that Hanumanji shower a lot of blessings on you and your company keeps on growing in leaps and bounds. Your profit margin is also good. That has been told to me that we are going to see in the future. But the way after the demise of your father, you have taken the company to next level shows that there is a lot of potential, both hidden and which has come in the public also. And all the investors who have invested in your company will reap benefits out of their investment which they have put into this company. I've seen a lot of advertisement of your company which has been put by Good Hope in the LinkedIn pages. I kept on seeing all those things. And sooner or later, I am quite sure that investors will have interest in your company and they will keep on investing into the company and unlock the value of the company to the next level. So with these words, I wish you all the best in the times to come. I am quite sure that you will maintain high standards of corporate governance and transparency in your company. And everybody, all the stakeholders will have confidence in your company, have trust in your company, and they will do a lot of good job for your company and talk very good about your company. So with these words, once again, I wish you all the best in the times to come. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And moving forward, the moment that we all have been waiting for has finally arrived, and it's time for ringing the bell. I will request the entire team to come forward, and I will request all of you that while the ceremony happens on the stage, I know you all are very excited, but please stay seated because we have cameras behind capturing the moment. In the meanwhile, let's take a few pictures. Also, when the timer strikes 10, I will request all of you to kindly join me in the countdown with all the energy that you've got. Let's quickly take a few pictures as we have few more seconds to go. Okay, last 20 seconds to go. Remember, as the timer is going to strike 10, you will all do the countdown with me. Are you ready? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Maiden Forgings Limited is now officially listed on BSE. We are grateful to our host BSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, our members of the board, our family and friends and well-wishers, and all you viewers out here who took the time out to attend the ceremony. Thank you so much. We will request you to stay seated as we still have exchange of mementos to be given away. So please stay seated. May we request all of you to take your seats, please. We will give you the time for the pictures later as we have mementos to be given away. Thank you. And now, to commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have exchange of mementos. Request Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operations and Listing Sales, along with Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME and Startups BSE, to present a memento to Mr. Nishan Garg, Managing Director. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And now to Mrs. Nivedita Garg, Chairman and Managing Director. And now request Mr. Nishan Garg, Managing Director, to present a memento to Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operations, Listing Sales, and Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME and Startups BSE. Thank you, Girish sir and Ajay sir, for joining us on stage and doing the honors. And now request Mr. Vikas Agrawal, Financial Advisor, Good Hope Financial Services LLP, to join us on stage, and request Nishan sir to do the honors. विकास अग्रवाल। ओके, तो उन्होंने क्या गलत है?
रमेश जी का भी है,
मैंने उनसे नाम लिए, वो जो
विकास जी का इनके बिहाफ पे रमेश जी कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, और रमेश जी का भी है।
ओके, बट वी डोंट नीड टू से दिस नेम, वी कैन जस्ट कम एंड कलेक्ट इट। बताती हूँ। And now Mr. Anand Srivastav, BRLM, Share India Capital Services Private Limited. And on his behalf, we have someone else collecting the memento. A round of applause. And now Mr. Himanshu Garg, HG and Company, Peer Review Auditors. And now Mr. Mukul Agarwal, RTA, Mashitla Securities Private Limited. And now please welcome Mr. Sunil Mudgal, Kirin Advisors Private Limited. With this, we come to the end of our ceremony. Many congratulations to the entire team of Maiden Forgings Limited, and thank you all our dignitaries for joining us on stage and doing all the honors. And thank you all of you for gracing this event with your presence, and please do join us for the breakfast which is served at the left-hand side of the room. Thank you.